Good morning, retail traders. This is Washboardjim with a sneaky snake trading strategy. I want to talk about an inverse head and shoulders and a megaphone pattern this morning. Definitely we got into the SPY. I called out the August 28th strike at 563 at 110. This was my second scalp. I did the first one at 120 to 131. Now, right out of the gate, I told the room, I said, hey, we might pull back and hit this right shoulder off this inverse head and shoulders. So be prepared to take the trade if we hold above that trend line. You got your left shoulder and your right shoulder. And also on the way, I alerted what you call a megaphone pattern. So I said, if we bounce off this and not have a full body candle under that shoulder line, that we were going to drop more. If not, we were going to bounce up. So we held that shoulder, that right shoulder. You got your left, your right, and your right. Now this is important to know. A lot of times they'll come back and test that right shoulder one more time. Hit twice. And that's the sweet spot. So if it doesn't break out from there, it could easily drop on down. So I alerted the room. I said, take it to the VWAP and scale out of your trade some. If you're new to trading, this is a VWAP chart. And I said it kind of run right into that 63 EMA. And then final exit idea was at the 200 SMA. So I jumped right out of that trade when I got to that point. But this is a megaphone. And then I said, watch it pull back to the top of that megaphone pattern and consolidate. Now we could easily break this resistance. If it does break that resistance, I'll jump back in the trade. But right now, I'm just doing this video to kind of give you a fast lesson on inverse head and shoulders and how to trade a megaphone right at the opening of the gate. Just make sure that right shoulder is pulled back the second time and take the trade. So that's it. The 200 SMA will be a hard resistance to break. Now, what got me excited about this trade is because we had that hard sell-off. And I couldn't find any information that really would bring the stock down like that. We do have the manufacturing index from Richmond come out just now. Plus, we got NVIDIA earnings. It could be a good flush out into the earnings report after hours on Wednesday. So this is Washboardjim with a sneaky snake trading strategy. I'm going to get back to work, drink my coffee, and take off my shoes and tell Nancy, give me a Valium and a shot of vodka. Have a great day.